I love that you say clean eating. That is a theme today, isn't it?
Yeah, yeah. I mean, and honestly, depending on where you are in the world, it's really not a whole lifestyle. I mean, it is, but it isn't, right? Like, I feel like here in the US, we have to make the conscious decision and effort to eat more clean, when in other countries, like their food every day comes straight from the ground. Like you go to the market, the food has come from the farm, you take the food to your house and then you cook it, right? Like it's kind of like an organic, no pun
Yeah.
intended, farm to table experience.
Yeah. And it's getting better here in the States.
Oh yeah.
It's getting better, especially here, like at Escoffier at the culinary school. We spend a lot of time trying to emphasize encouraging students to know where their food
Mm-hmm.
comes from, right? So first and foremost, many, many, many thanks for serving as our keynote speaker as recently as yesterday when Escoffier graduated over 2,000 students. So everyone hung on your every word. They were very inspiring. And during your speech, you talk about a recipe for success. So my first question is, and I think I know the answer, but do you think that having a plan, a recipe for success is important, particularly for young culinarians versus just waiting to see what happens, which so many young people like to do today, right?
Yes. I think that having some idea of what you want to do with your future is helpful, right? Do I feel like you need to have it completely mapped out step by step, day by day? No. I think there's room, right, for having a guide for your goals and having experiences that happen organically, right? Like some of the best parts of my career were those times where I stumbled upon an opportunity and I just said yes, even if it wasn't directly related to what I thought
To
my
your
immediate
plan, to
plan,
your
right?
plan. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So that ability to pivot is important.
Extremely important, extremely important. And also just being willing to learn skills that you didn't expect to learn along the way, right? Like
Yeah.
we
Yeah.
learn a lot in school and a lot of it is applicable, right? But there are certain opportunities that just come around that you don't get in school, right? These life opportunities, and saying yes to those has been my key to success. And I definitely encourage young people, new graduates, older people, say yes to those new experiences.
Yeah, serendipity is a beautiful thing, whether it's in a relationship or in a career, right? So
Isn't it? I love serendipitous moments. I live for them. I literally live for
absolutely,
them. Yeah.
absolutely.